Hello friends, recently I have updated from Windows 10 to Windows 11. After update, when I try to record the video in the OBS studio, then I was getting an error as something is missing from the NVIDIA. So in this video I am going to display you how you can fix that issue. Just you need to visit to the nvidia.com website. Here you have to select which product graphic card you have, select it, and here is the series, which series you have. Like if you have 4060, then you can go with this series. If you have 1660 or 1650, you can go with this. If you have 1050 Ti or any other graphic card, here you have the series. You have to select this series. In my desktop I have 16 series graphic card, so I have selected 16 series. 1660 Super, selected this. I have Windows 11 though, so you can select here, and here search. Then once you search, you will get the option to download it. Just click on get download. Then you will be navigated to this page. Here just click on download now. Once download complete, here you will get the downloaded NVIDIA driver. Just install it. Once installation is complete, you need to restart your OBS studio. This issue will be fixed. As I was facing this issue, I thought maybe my other subscriber might have faced this issue, so I thought to update you on this. If you have any other query, you can follow me on Instagram and message over there. If you don't have Instagram, then comment on this video. If this video is helpful to you, like this video. That's it in this video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.